What's up, y'all? We are in Orlando, Florida. The last vacation in the summer vacation before the kids go back to school.
Yes.
Miss Matt go back to work.
Yep.
And we're not traveling alone on this one.
Nope.
We got 2/5 of the posse with us, aka the Littles.
The Littles, the Littles.
So this is a surprise trip for them. They knew we was coming to Florida, but they think we're going to one of the parks. But we're going to surprise them in the morning and let them know that we going on the Disney Wish on a 4-day cruise. So we will get with y'all in the morning because it is late. Our flight was delayed because of Hurricane Aaron. They had to reroute some planes. They canceled some planes. Ours was delayed. We sat on the tarmac for about 45 minutes after we got here. So it's been a long night. So like I said, we're going to catch y'all in the morning until tomorrow. Morning, family. It was a long night. I ain't gonna say a long day. It was a long night.
Yes. Good morning. Good morning.
With the Hurricane Aaron delaying flights, canceling flights, delayed hours. But
we made it. We
are here in Orlando, Florida. And like we told you last night, we got 2/5 of the squad with us today.
Come on.
They've been dying to get on camera, so here we go. Who we got?
My name is KJ. Hi, I'm Kalia.
Alright, y'all saw them, KJ and Kalia. You'll see more antics from them as the days go on. But, alright, what park are we going to?
Hollywood Studios.
You say Hollywood Studios? What you say?
Universal.
Universal? Let me grab one t-shirt.
All right, so let's see what park we're going to. Is that a park?
That's not a park.
That's not a park. What is that?
Disney
We are getting ready?
Yeah!
Yep. We are going on the Disney Wish, family. We are going on the Disney Wish.
Yes.
Our the onboard time is 12:45 to 1 o'clock. So we're gonna finish getting ready. We'll break out the gear. We're going to get us a bite to eat across the street and wait for transportation to come pick us up to take us to Port Canaveral.
All right.
Catch you in the next one. All right. Take you on a little room tour. Disney Wish. Stateroom 6170. And one thing I will say I like about Disney, they got a split bathroom. This is the toilet area with a sink. Then you got your second bathroom. Find a light for you. Tub shower combo. Definitely good if you got the little ones which you need to bathe them. You got your body wash and lotions, sink, got your hand soap, your Disney towels, you know, with the Mickey monogram on them. Got a closet with the storage. Got your ladder for the overhead bump. Shelves for storage. Got a safe. Let's see. Decent size safe. Let's see. And you got another closet. Plenty of hangers. Storage, not bad. Got your life jackets. Got your bed. Got your nightstand with your European and look like USB-A outlets. Night light. Look like you got a reading lamp. Of course.
So much fun. Jam-packed into
Your television. Another little nightstand on this side. Got your US ports, USB-C and A lights, another night light. You got your couch. Also got a pull down if you need it. You got a vanity with some storage on it, some shelves. Got a chair at the bottom. Vanity. Look like you got a light. Let's see. Yep. Vanity with a mirror. More shelves. Got some drawers. Look like you got your hair dryer. Pull open shelves. I would call this a cooler. I wouldn't say it's a refrigerator. And another drawer. And step outside. You got your balcony. Disney Cruise Line. Chair. Table. Another chair. You got Miss Mac.
I come with the room.
You also got some.
What's that?
Some US and USB-A and C plugs right there. But the best part of it, these little jokers got their own room.
It's connected.
Yeah.
They don't even know that.
Same. He done made this couch a bed already. They can't sleep together, y'all. They don't get along like that. So
He be all up on my side.
like I say, pretty much the same on this room. They got the 2 bathrooms as well.
What are you doing?
I can't turn on the light.
What?
Hey guys.
You got a key in the you gotta put a key.
Where? To work it?
Like a room key?
There you go. Yep.
That turns oh.
He had to go to the bathroom. I had to cut that off. But yeah, pretty nice. Can't complain so far. We're gonna take a tour around, see what it is. This is our first Disney cruise for everybody, so we're gonna see what all the hype is about when it comes to Disney cruises. And we will see y'all later on at the next spot.
Oh, there I go. Right, you gotta get me in there. Pigs.
We went to the Marceline Market. That's where they have buffets, but it's not traditional buffet. They actually serve you. Of course, they want you to wash your hands, as you should.
Well, we're here eating. So, Mom got the seafood gumbo. So you got a Caesar salad.
No, what kind of salad? It was called a grilled chicken salad.
Yeah, grilled chicken salad. Grilled chicken salad.
Eggs
And Daddy right here got some
Grilled shrimp, hot fingers, and some grilled salmon. Some teriyaki salmon.
And for me, I got some chicken tenders, fries, and mustard.
You gotta let people know who you are.
And you might wonder, who's talking? This guy.
Oh my god, that is funny.
Who is this guy?
KJ. In the future, I will be taking it over the voice, but you just have to stick around and see. So yeah, this is day 1. So
Good feeling back around.
and we'll see you guys later. Yes.
You had eateries outside as well, like Donald's Cantina for your Mexican. You had Daisy Pizza Pies for your pizza, of course. You also had Mickey's Smokehouse Barbecue. You had brisket, pulled pork, sausages, ribs. You also had Goofy's Grill for your burgers, chicken fingers. Definitely a lot of Disney influenced artwork, of course, because it's a Disney ship throughout the ship. Very nice artwork. Took KJ down to the 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐿 Club, where he could go to the Marvel Lab and create his own superhero and fight off the evils as an Avenger. He had a ball down there. Disney doesn't have the drink package, but they do have a plethora of bars on board. So I had to get me an old-fashioned while I was on board, and it was pretty good, I must say.
Welcome. We are here at 1923 with the family here. So first, we got Leah here, Mom, and Big Pops, and me here, KJ here. Honestly, day 1, it was kind of good for the most part, but hey, at least you're gonna have a nice, comfy bed to sleep in. So yeah,
What's the best part for you so far?
the best part for me is just the atmosphere.
You're using big words.
So yeah, we're gonna catch you up after we're done eating, and until next time. Peace.
As you can see her face, she's not happy. She ordered a medium well steak, and it's more like well done.
Been chewing this piece for about 15 minutes. I'm chewing on shoe leather.
And she don't play when it comes to her steak, so that's gonna be another no for her, dog. Yeah, we'll be going to someplace else to get something to eat later.
I got swallowed down with some drink.
As you can see from Mrs. Mac's face, we were not impressed with the food at 1923 at all.
So
Hold on, what if I try to like
they done pulled the bunk bed down for KJ. He basically got his own little room. All he needs a little TV over here. He'd be good, but since these two forever.
forever boy. Oh my god.
Again. Playing.
Sucks, bro. Oh my
Now they got a little separation.
God.